Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We've had lots more patients coming up from Richmond, Virginia for the past couple of years.
Yes.
And they're coming for consultations and mostly repair surgery.
Yeah, consultations. We have done a lot of procedures on Richmond patients.
So we're going to make an effort to make it more convenient for you if you live in the Richmond area by coming and doing consultations once a month, most likely on Tuesdays. And our first date is Tuesday, December the 10th from 1 to 5. And if you're in the Richmond area and you want to see us down there, call here at our office and we'll schedule it for you. And we're seeing patients at the office of Dr. Leslie Cohen, who I went to medical school with, and her address is here between us. But don't call there to schedule, call here to schedule. Anything else?
No, you said all of it.
Okay. We look forward to meeting new people. Thanks.